Hello, today I want to talk about affiliate marketing with email marketing and give you an overview of how this happens. I'm going to show you how to choose a reliable autoresponder, how to get traffic so that you can start building your email list, and how to automate this process so it all just works in the background on autopilot, and all you do is just get traffic and build your email list. This is an overview of the concept that we're talking about. And essentially, this is kind of the beginning of what you'd call essentially a very simple email funnel. Okay, so just follow the arrows. But we're going to start here, and this is where we're sending traffic or people to our squeeze page, and this is where they're going to give their email in exchange for a something free, a report or a guide or something that's free. And then you can show them a couple of upsell offers. This is a way, kind of where, while, they've already committed, they've given you an email. So this is kind of a prime time to, maybe show them an upsell offer or two. Usually low price, $5, $10, maybe make a little bit of money back. And then have your emails automatically going out, promoting offers. So you can make money anytime somebody purchases from one of your emails. Now, this only shows 7 emails, but this could go on indefinitely. You could have literally weeks and months and even years of automated emails going out after somebody opts in. So let's go and take a quick look at what a simple squeeze page looks like. I have another video that you can go and find where I show how to make this. This is hosted by my email autoresponder Aweber. Just a head, just basically a headline, a little tease, and then enter their email. And once they do that, so they're going to come here and they're going to make a decision. Either they want a free report about how to start making serious money online and learn these insider secrets, you can start making some money fast, or they don't. If they do, they'll put their email address in, they'll click send my free report, and then I do have it set up to go to a couple upsell offers. I have another video that shows a software which makes this very easy to do using by iframing other people's offers. So you can find that video, and I'll try to include a link to it in the description box below. But then you're going to have that person who gave their email on that opt-in page start receiving these automated emails. Okay. Now, if you want to get a little more in-depth overview of how this process works, then I'd encourage you to go and look at something called Passive Class. This is a product by Lee Murray. He's a full-time online marketer who really focuses on email marketing. So, great person to learn from. You can go and watch the video on this, and this is a free offer. So the training is free. It's pretty in-depth. Now, there are some optional upsells. You don't necessarily need those at this point. Just get the free training, go through it, and then you can decide on the upsells later if you want to go back to those or not. But this is a great way to get a really good overview of how email marketing works from someone who's done it very successfully for several years. And I'll leave a link in the description box below for this. Now, you're going to need a reliable email autoresponder. And the email autoresponder is where you create your opt-in page. It's where you set up your automated email offers to go out. It's where you collect all your emails and they're stored. And so you want to make sure you have reliable email autoresponder. Now, the two that I recommend if you're going to be doing affiliate marketing by email marketing is either Aweber or GetResponse. There's a lot of other big name autoresponders that you may have heard of, such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, or others. The downside to those is they're not very friendly to affiliate marketing, meaning they do not like to have links in their emails that go directly to a sales page. Now, Aweber and GetResponse, they frown on it also, but they are much more friendly, and they're not nearly as likely to shut down your account without warning, which is really what happens a lot with MailChimp, Constant Contact, and the others, is they don't even give you a warning, they just close your account. Okay? So, Aweber and GetResponse. Now, no matter which email autoresponder you use, you do want to be smart. You don't want to be spamming people. You don't, want to be pushy. So you still want to be wise, and those are the kind of things you'll learn in Passive Class. Okay, how to do that in a way that helps people instead of being pushy, spammy, etc. But you need reliable autos. I have used both Aweber and GetResponse in the past 10 years of marketing online. I currently use Aweber, but either one are good options. They both do have free plans that you definitely could start with, and then you can always upgrade. The monthly cost is about $15 to $20 a month, but you really only need to make 1 or 2 sales a month, and you've covered the cost of your email autoresponder, and then everything after that obviously is extra. So Aweber or GetResponse. The next thing though is you do need some email messages that you need to be able to load up into your email autoresponder so that they can be sent out automatically. Now, if you're like me and you don't like to write, that's not a strength or a skill that you have, then you can get done-for-you email swipes that you can load up into your email autoresponder. And where do you find those? Well, I'm glad you asked. There's a couple. These are from Lee Murray as well. Lee Murray is the person, again, who's going to teach passive class. And I think he may offer these as part of passive class, or these might be totally separate. But these are email swipes that are done for you. I've purchased them myself. This first one I'm showing you is called High Ticket Affiliate Commissions, where you can literally earn commissions in the hundreds or even thousands of dollars from just one sale. So pretty nice, right? And let's just go down and you'll see what you're going to get. You're going to get 30 high-ticket commission email swipes. So he's giving you 30 emails. So you're going to have a whole month. If you send it out, 1 email out every day as part of your automated follow-up, if you get this high-ticket kit, then you're going to have a whole month worth of emails going out. He does give you lots of training. He gives you a lead capture system if you need a bonus page or an opt-in page. And you're only going to pay, about 30 cents per email. So his writing is very engaging. It's it's entertaining. I like his writing style. I think it is captivating. For a lot of people find it that way. And so again, it's not going to come off spammy. So this is one way to get some done for you email swipes. And another that he offers, let me scroll up, is called this is called the Recurring Income Kit. Okay, and again, it's also $12.95, so pretty darn cheap. But it promotes. These are email swipes that promote recurring products. These are products that people pay a monthly fee for, right? We just talked about Aweber and GetResponse. People pay a monthly fee to use these online software services. And then so these emails promote these, and they promote these other products that you see down here as well, where people pay monthly. And so there's 10 of these products, and you're going to get, again, 30 done-for-you email swipes, right? And so if you happen to get Recurring Income Kit and the High Ticket Kit, you could basically, set up where, a high ticket offer goes out here, a recurring offer here, a high ticket offer here, a recurring offer here. So, alternating every other day, but you're going to have 60 done for you email swipes. So you have 60 days if you're sending out an email message every day. So that is pretty nice. They're written really well. You don't have to do it. All you have to do is load them up into your email autoresponder and add your affiliate link, and you're done. And they will be sent out automatically in your email funnel. Okay? So we've talked about how to build your squeeze page. And again, I build my squeeze pages very simply in Aweber, and Aweber hosts it for me. So I don't need a domain and hosting. I don't need WordPress. You can do that if you'd like. I don't need other fancy software like ClickFunnels. You can use that if you like, but it's not necessary. But here's the magic, the thing everyone asks about, traffic, right? The dirty word, traffic. Everyone struggles with traffic. How do I get people, how do I get traffic to this squeeze page? Okay, great. I got my squeeze page set up. Maybe I put in some upsell offers. Maybe I didn't. I have all my follow-up emails. I bought High Ticket Kit, Recurring Income Kit from Lee Murray. I took his emails. I added them up, loaded them up. But none of this is going to work if I'm not getting people to my squeeze page. Now, I mostly work in the make money online niche. I think it's the easiest to promote. People are always looking for extra income. That is a universal need around the world at almost any age range. And so I like it. I like making money online. I like helping other people make money online, and that's why I like it. And so if you're looking, if you're working in the make money online niche, then solo ad traffic can be a really, really good source. And this is where someone who already has an email list, an established email list, maybe of tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people, they send out an email on your behalf promoting your opt-in page. And some people will opt in. Actually, a good converting solo ad seller and a good converting opt-in page usually will convert at 30 to 50%. Okay, so you can build an email list very quickly, start getting these automated email messages sent out by using solo ad traffic. Udemy.com, I'll leave a link below, is a great solo ad traffic site. They have, sellers are reviewed, how many sales they've completed. If they're, if you have upsell offers in your funnel, then a lot of times people will report whether they actually had some sales made or not. So you can see sales ratios. And they also have good click filters. So, you're not getting junk bot traffic. Okay. So I'll leave a link for Udemy down below. Again, this is mostly focused, however, on the make money online niche. So if you're in that niche. Now, if you're in other niches and there's another traffic, basically solo ad traffic service called trafficforme.com. I'll leave a link below in the description. These are real traffic, and they definitely do the make money online niche, but they also have other niches they have traffic for. If you're in health and fitness niche, survival prepper niche, financial niche, personal development, self-help, etc., or you're promoting maybe one of these specific products, then they have traffic for you. And so that is basically it in a nutshell. And so just a quick recap. You need to have traffic. So we talked about that. Send them to that squeeze page. Get them to give their email. Offer an upsell offer or two if you want, optional. And then load up that email series in your autoresponder so those emails get sent out automatically. Okay, that just happens. Once they opt in, they'll just start going out automatically. You can get done-for-you swipes like the high-ticket kit and recurring income kit I mentioned before, or other places you can get done-for-you swipes so that you just have a ton of automated emails going out, and all you worry about is this end of the funnel, getting people to your opt-in page. So I hope you found this helpful. If so, I would give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. Please subscribe if you haven't so you can continue to get updates from me. And thanks so much for watching.